Hi, this is Harshit and I'm going to discuss about tools for Android app development. So first of all, what is Android? It is an operating system initially developed by Android, which Google bought in 2005, and the first Android was unveiled in 2007. The first Android compatible device was launched in September 2008. Android was designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices, but now also working for televisions, wristwatches, and many other devices with a specialized user interface. Now, what is Android app development? Android app development is the process by which new applications are created for devices running on the Android operating system. Android app development requires software development tools. The Android Software Development Kit includes a comprehensive set of development tools. It has libraries, debugger, documentation, sample code, and tutorials. Currently supported development platforms include Linux, macOS, Windows 7 or later. Tools for Android app development. But what you should look in an Android development tool. So the key factors for choosing app development tools are usability, lifecycle management, security, integrity, costs, expertise, applications, and delivery. So, keeping these points in mind, some of the best tools are Android Studio by Google, Android Debug Bridge, AVD Manager, Eclipse, Fabric, FlowUp, Genymotion, and Gradle. So, let's discuss them in detail. Android Studio was announced on May 16, 2013, and the first stable build was released in December 2014 and is written in Java, C++, and Kotlin. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Google's Android operating system, built on JetSpring Intelligent IDEA software and designed specially for Android development by the Android parent Google. It is easily available for download on Windows, macOS, and Linux-based operating systems. Some of its top features are Gradle-based build support, Android-specific refactoring quick fixes, ProGuard integration, and app signing capabilities. Android Debug Bridge is a versatile command line tool that lets you communicate with the device. The ADB command facilitates a variety of device actions such as installing and debugging app, and it provides access to the Unix shell. It is a client-server program. It includes three components: a client which sends commands, a daemon which runs commands, and a server which manages communication between the client and the daemon. Android Virtual Device is an emulator configuration that allows developers to test the application by simulating the real device capabilities. We can configure AVD by specifying hardware and software options. Some of its features are hardware profiles, system images, storage area, and skin. Eclipse is a suite of software applications developed by Spenzia Consulting and released initially in 2001, and the latest stable release was on 20th May 2019. Intended for use by aerospace project and mission teams in managing their CMQA, the Eclipse supports the following activities: document management, configuration management, cost control, dashboard, and risk management. In October 2014, Crashlytics announced Fabric, an expansion of functionality into mobile app, users' identity and authentication. Fabric represented the first introduction to a modular SDK platform which allowed developers to pick and choose which favorite features they need while seeking guaranteeing ease of installation and compatibility across. FlowUp is the first product developed by Kurumi, helps radically improve your app performance with actionable insights into key metrics including frame time, bandwidth, memory consumption, CPU performance, and much more. Take your app development control to the next level using FlowUp dashboard just by adding a single line of code. Genymotion is a relatively fast Android emulator developed by Geny Mobile in 2011. It comes with a pre-configured Android images suitable for application testing. The product has evolved from the old Android VM and comes with a new player design and installer. Features are easily download, networking, GPS, ADB support, Eclipse and Android Studio plugins, support Linux, Windows and Mac. Is an open source built automation system that builds upon the concept of Apache Ant and introduces a Groovy based domain specific language. Gradle uses a direct acyclic graph to determine the order in which the task can be run. Gradle was designed for multi-project builds, which can grow to be quite large. It supports incremental bits by IntelliJ, determining which parts should be tried up to date, and task development on those parts does not need to be re-executed.